studying physics to be a physicist, studying physics to show off, studying physics to understand physics memes. Math was invented in 500 BC. People before 500 BC. Students. Chemical equation. Reaction mechanism. Motherfuckers be like, I need a moment. Okay, which one? So what's your favorite color? Stop asking me stupid questions. Ask me something logical and matured instead. How many moles of sodium bicarbonate are needed to neutralize 0.8 milliliters of sulfuric acid at STP? My favorite color is pink. Mom, Dad, why don't you just kill me too? Kills 99% of the germs. Don't touch those. They're my emotional support Chrome tabs. Yes, all 27. Gas giant, star, neutron star, black hole. I fear no man. But that thing. When the book has 700 plus pages and it's an introduction to a subject, it scares me. Technically, it's always full. In 2021 we'll have flying cars. 2021. Shooting a potato at a tennis racket to make French fries. How I thought chemistry would be. What chemistry actually is. My friends, stop your algebra jokes, we don't get M. Me, I don't care about your NASA. Oh, I thought you were dead. My death was greatly exaggerated. How much do I owe you? 1 mil. How much is that? 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23. Bruh, what the f? Mary, every day you look more radiant. How's business? Kidney stones. Gallstones. Dopamine. Sci-fi movies. They can't explain. Quantum. You are here. Crying in the shower before work. The conservation of energy tells us that the energy of the universe remains constant. Hey, wait a minute. Where does the energy of our universe come from? I made a new way to generate energy. New or steam? Steam. When you try to understand chemistry. In 1977, we received a radio signal from space that lasted 72 seconds. And to this day, we still don't know where it came from. Yes, we do. It came from space. Jupiter has the largest ocean in the solar system. Until we meet again. Spotted at the Cleveland Museum of Natural History. Apparently the curator of entomology has a sense of humor. Periodic table. I bet that bench is really unstable. Then a miracle occurs. I think you should be more explicit here in step 2. Me and babe watching our favorite series. Me. Fully prepared for exam. Question number 1. What does attachment style mean though? It's like when you bond with someone. That attachment has its types. Okay, got it. What are the types? Electrostatic, ionic and covalent. If you make a line with iron, would it be a feline? Front end. Back end. Scrodinger's cupboard. The bowls are both intact and broken. Massive stars when silicon atoms fuse in their cores and create iron. Chuckles. I'm in danger. The Higgs boson walks into a church. The priest says we don't allow Higgs bosons in here. The Higgs boson says, but without me how can you have mass? Flow virus making a genetic shift to avoid recognition by immune system every season like. Rabbit. Develops excellent hearing to avoid predators. Owl. Develops completely soundless flight. Rabbit. People. How's engineering school going? Me. Ironman. Female. Everybody is a scientist. Until the real scientist arrives. Clouds can hide us from radar. My idea. Unnecessary life vest. Ice cubes float. SpaceX. Space Y. Space X squared equals Y. Space cos X equals Y. You are a cutie pie. Narrow scolding and irrationals. Ye old periodic table. Earth, water, air, fire. I'll have an H2O. Water. I'll have an H2O too. Hydrogen peroxide. The bartender gives them both water because he is able to distinguish the boundary tones that dictate the grammatical function of homonyms in coda position as well as pragmatic context. When your mom calls you by your full name. Remembering how to calculate percentages. Dividing the numbers different ways until it looks right. A virus. Not on my watch. Ha. Try to survive a fever if you can. Did you see that, guys? Am I a problem solver or what? Guys. When you're in biology and read hemoglobin instead of hemoglobin. The number plate. The chemical equation for glucose the car is called cube. This is a giant sugar cube. Chemistry teacher. Did you know that protons have mass? Me. I didn't even know they were Catholics. Teacher. If you had a time machine, where would you go? Gregomental. Green pea plant. Yellow pea plant. Astronomers. I'm so excited to see the insert astronomical event tonight. Clouds. Bacteria attacking my body. Antibiotics and T-cells. When aliens see us putting up windmills again, after we have harnessed fission. This is the most ghetto shit I've ever seen in my life. Science teacher. There are 118 elements. Me who watched Avatar, The Last Airbender, and knows there are only 4 elements. When your friend describes ozone to you, well that just sounds like O2 with extra oxygen. Scientists recreate the face of a 9,000-year-old Greek teenage girl. Brushy looks more masculine than my grandpa. What the f***? Oh hi Mark. The only known photo of Scrodinger's cat. When the train always stops in exactly the same place. The air conditioner always drips in exactly the same place. And a tiny ecosystem is born. Study 3 years for degree. Study 3 more for PhD. Join lab. Start working. Spend years studying problem. Form hypothesis. Gather evidence. Test hypothesis. Form conclusions. Report findings. Clear peer review. Findings published. Reported in press. Guy on internet. Bullshit. I must have broken the laws of thermodynamics. The way I keep my motion constant 100. You know the meaning of Riz? No. Hey, are you an atom? Cause I've got an on you. Science Riz. Light is a particle. Refraction. Let's not abduct that guy. He looks like a vampire. What guy? Physics. Exists. Goats. What no Sonic Hedgehog does to a motherfucker. Me. Drops food. Bacteria waiting. 5-second rule. Why is it dark in space if the sun is right there? It's green screen studio obviously. Another lie by NASA. 20th century physicists. Special theory of relativity. Newtonian mechanics. Aristotelian dynamics. Human use base 10. Computers use base 2. So why does DNA use base 4? My dog ate it. I forgot it. My duckling fell asleep on my calculator. Astrology. Astronomy. How can Ant-Man breathe if he is smaller than oxygen atoms? Hold up. Criminals thinking they are the strongest inmate in their cell. Mitochondria. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.